the move. I need to travel now, so I'm traveling live here in Manhattan, New York, planet Earth. It's the 34th Street subway train station. Oh. On the move. We're behind schedule. Right now it's 8:17 in the AM. January 13th, 2025. And I'm on the move here in Manhattan, New York City. This is the elevator. It smells. I'm on the move, and you get a good little idea of what I'm seeing this morning here. I'm holding the cell phone in my hand, so it'll be a little shaky. It's better that way, you're going to see more. You probably can slow it down and watch it in slow motion. Shooting at 30 frames per second, so this way I can adjust the zoom if I need to on the cell phone. Unfortunately, you cannot shoot in 60 frames and adjust the zoom meanwhile shooting. So that's why I tend to shoot this way, even though it looks like I'm traveling faster than I'm traveling when you're shooting at 30 frames. It's the science of video. So it makes it look like I'm traveling twice times faster than I'm actually traveling. Because it's 30 frames. So at the end of the day, it's about see what I see, hear what I hear, see what I saw, hear what I heard. I need to travel now. I'm traveling. Know what I knew. See what I saw. I need to travel now. I'm traveling. Thank you. Going to the exit. I'm running into an appointment I have. There's estimation of time and so on here. It's not easy sometimes. But like I said, it makes you look like you're traveling faster when it's shooting 30 frames per second. And I'm shooting extra wide. This is the science of frame rate. But if randomly I need to just zoom in, I can. If randomly I need to pull back, I can. I wish this Samsung could allow it to do it both in 30 frames or even 120 frames. And also, I'm giving them tips. Two things. All levels should be able to adjust meanwhile recording, and you should also be able to, wow, what's this? Oh yeah, so meanwhile recording, you have to adjust it, especially in 60 frames. They also should be able to record, have 125 frames per second in all lens width. Easier to understand it if I say it like this. Then I'll be like, I'll leave my camera behind and use this a lot of times when I'm on the move. It's more public friendly when you have something that everybody else has. I'm going to go higher up, even though this is a nice view here. Macy's, Empire State Building. But to go across, I'm going over to the east side, and to go over faster, I have to leave the busy street, which is 34th Street, which I don't have to, I could up the crowd and just go all the way down 34th Street, but no. Right now, I just need to go to my appointment, so I'm going to duck this, and I'm going to make my way over to, like, up higher. So it's 38th Street I'm going. So I'm trying to get there as fast as possible. And the streets are the less crowded, the better. So I'm going to go down, and as soon as a street is, the light is there, I'll go back up. That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go this way. I'm going to go this way, and as soon as I get the light, turn back. For those who keep saying, you're traveling so fast, the science of frame rate. I'm traveling like 5 miles per hour, 5 to 6 miles per hour, 6 miles maximum. That's what you do when you're in the movies. They actually do that in the scenes. So it actually looks like they're traveling faster than they're actually traveling. Thank you. It's all about the science of sight. Science of video. Science of... Even this street is still busy. It's early morning. People like to walk out right after the center like they own the home. Right, so right now I'm making my way over there. I'm going to still be late, but coming up to 5th Avenue now. I need to travel. Over here, it's not very, very tall buildings. A lot of these are like old buildings. I don't know if there's landmark buildings or what. There are a lot of air rights over here. So, a lot of air rights over here. Let's get one more film for the Bradford building when I'm crossing. And I'm on the extra wide on the Samsung phone here. You get split version on the Samsung phone here. See the Bradford building? I'm on the extra wide. That's 34th Street. I mean, that's 34th Street and 5th Avenue I just crossed there. I need to travel now. See what I saw. Yeah, what I heard. I need to travel now. So I'm traveling. So I always have to check what's coming. The truck is here. You don't have anything. Nobody's in it, so I don't have to worry about like it's gonna drive on. See what I heard. Yeah, what I heard. Yeah, the widest lens is not the best saturation, color, and quality, but you get to see more of what's going on. So now we're going to go up because I'm trying to not burn time. One Vanderbilt is up there. The better quality is not the widest, but I'm doing this on the widest. But I start the widest. And the frame rate is soft. Everything is soft. I'm going to go up. I'm going to 38, so I'm 36 now, 36 and Madison. 36th Street and Madison Avenue. And we are heading up to 37th Street. The next one is 37th Street. Next one is 37th Street. Yeah. So this is Madison uptown, 1 Vanderbilt, Madison downtown. You see 23rd Street down here. And then I'm going across to the east side on. Yeah, there's so much things I'm supposed to be doing and I'm not doing. What are they waiting on here? I wonder what they're waiting on. I think we are, 27th Street. I'm on 27th Street. Heading over to the east side, Again, everybody likes to go on the center of the road for whatever reason. Oh, thank you. Center of the road. I just take the center, like it. So this is 37th Street and Park Avenue. I guess you can park over here. I think you can park over here. Oh, I'd like to get that, but through the street is, let's go high up because we're going to 38. Yeah, there's parking over here on Park Avenue. We're heading to 38th Street. So they have all these, I guess these are some kind of art, something. They have a whole set of them here. They have a whole set of these art things. Let's take the bike lane. We need to go quick. So we're going to take the bike lane straight down. We're on 38th Street heading to the east side. That was pushing it. Thank you. That was pushing it though. I'm running late. I had to keep checking to see what these cars are doing. Oh, I had to keep checking the bicycles so I could see what these cars are doing. See somebody running, so I go. I think that person is running. So I'm reaching my destination. So guess what? Ever so often, I need to travel now. I just did. I need to get from one location to another. I just did. I'll be back. Remember, subscribe, click the notification bell. As a matter of fact, I take so long to do this, I probably should have done a long time ago. Join I Need to Travel Now. Be a member. Join I Need to Travel Now and become a member. Subscribe and become a member. Show the love. Big things coming. Subscribe. I'll be back. I Need to Travel Now.